We all know that the Osaka Amazing Pass can help us save a lot of money, but are you aware that this pass depreciates during times of inflation? Now, let me show you some tools and tips to maximize your savings with the pass. You can visit over 35 attractions in Osaka for free and at least save over 50% to visit these 5 attractions in one day with a one-day pass. So let's start our amazing day in Osaka with the Osaka Amazing Pass. Number 1, a travel plan that can truly assist you in planning your trip more effectively. In my travel plan, there is a transport section under the itinerary. I have given you 2 powerful tools that will aid in planning your day better and saving more time and money with the Osaka Amazing Pass. The first one is a free facilities area map that displays the free attractions within the same location. By referring to this map, you will realize that it is not advisable to visit both Expo 70 Commemorative Park and Sakaiki area on the same day. If you manage to shorten your travel time, you can explore more places for free and maximize your savings. The second one is a categorized list that groups all free attractions or activities into 5 categories. This allows you to choose the specific attraction you want to visit within the same category. For instance, there are 3 total Ferris wheels, and I chose to visit the Tempozen Giant Ferris wheel because it is located right next to the Glaya Museum. This way, I can avoid visiting similar attractions within a limited time frame. These attractions are also divided into 3 groups based on the best time to visit, during the day, at sunset, and at night. This ensures that you can visit each attraction at the optimal time to fully appreciate its beauty, and it also helps you to easily plan your day. The table also includes a reminder that certain attractions cannot be visited together using one pass. You must choose one out of 2 options. For example, attractions number 28, 29, and 30 are all cruises, but you can only select one of them with the same pass, not all 3. I've included a link to the official website in my travel plan so you can check out all the attractions that are included with the pass. And if you want to save even more money, I've also included a click link where you can buy the pass with a further discount. If you want to know how to get this powerful tools and travel plan, please watch until the end. Tips number 2. Skip the line and save your time. As you may know, the cherry blossom season is a very popular time to visit Osaka Castle, which means that it can get very crowded. But don't worry, if you have the Osaka Amazing Pass, you don't have to wait in line to buy an admission ticket. There is a special entry for Osaka Amazing Pass holders, which can save you a lot of time. The same goes for the Osaka Jo Gozabun boat. First, go to the back of the castle to exchange your ticket for the time that you want to take the boat, and then visit the castle. This way, you just need to arrive at the pier on time and don't have to wait at all. Tip number 3. What is the best day of the week to use the pass? Make sure to check the official website of the Osaka Amazing Pass before you go. I did and found out that most of the free attractions are closed on Monday or Tuesday, so if you want to make the most out of your pass, try to avoid using it on these days. The weekend can also be crowded, so the best days of the week to use the pass are Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Don't miss out on the amazing experiences Osaka has to offer. Plan your trip accordingly. Tip number 4. Exchange the ticket in advance. Take this Aqualiner, for example. You have to make a reservation by phone if you want to hop aboard with your Osaka Amazing Pass. Unfortunately, we didn't, and we missed it. So it is highly recommended to give them a call earlier, especially during the peak seasons. The same goes for the Tombori River Cruise. If you want to take the nighttime cruise, you have to exchange your ticket in advance during the day of the same day. So if you're planning on taking any of these cruises, be sure to book your tickets in advance to avoid disappointment. Tip number 5. Check for any private event. Some of the attractions covered by the pass may be booked for private events and therefore not open to the public on certain days. For example, we visited the Glaya Museum and discovered that they had a wedding banquet schedule on the day we were there. Lucky for us, we arrived before the event started and were able to enjoy the museum. To avoid disappointment, we recommend checking the official website of the attraction you plan to visit to confirm that they will be open to the public on the day you plan to use your amazing pass. Tip number 6. Stay updated with changes and new restrictions. Free attractions for Osaka Amazing Pass may be removed from the list anytime, so don't just rely on the old YouTube videos. Better check with the official website when you plan your trip. We went to Osaka before April and we were able to use this hot spring for free, but now it has been removed from the list. Also, they may add new conditions to the same free attractions, such as this Umida Floating Garden Observatory. It was free entry for Osaka Amazing Pass holders up to 6M in the past, so you can enjoy the beautiful sunset, but now it has changed to 4PM. Entry after 4PM with Osaka Amazing Pass is no longer free. It is 30 off instead. So, if you want to make the most of your Osaka Amazing Pass, it's important to check the official website for any updates on the free attractions and the conditions of entry. Tip number 7, get yourself a contingency plan. We planned to take a ride on this giant Ferris wheel with the Osaka Amazing Pass, but as soon as we saw its size, we both got scared of heights and changed our mind. Thankfully, we had this map, which showed us all other options available in the same area. So we quickly decided to go to another free attraction nearby. It's always good to have a backup plan, and this map helped us find one in no time. So if you're ever in a situation where you need to change your plans suddenly, having this map when using your Osaka Amazing Pass can be a lifesaver. Tip number 8, make sure you take the right transportation. We all know this Osaka Amazing Pass allows you to use various transportation options in Osaka. But there are some differences between the one-day pass and two-day pass. Both offer unlimited rides on the Osaka Metro subway lines and city buses within Osaka city limits. However, as you can see, some of the train lines are excluded from the two-day pass. It can be a bit confusing. Don't worry, I got you covered. Check out my last video where I share a useful app for taking transportation in Japan. It even helps you navigate stress, free and shows if you can use your Osaka Amazing Pass on a particular train or not. After telling you how to get the useful travel plan, don't miss out and go watch it. On March 21st, I arranged my day to use the Osaka Amazing Pass, and I can tell you it was a fantastic experience. Let's check out the itinerary section and see what attractions we visited on that day. We visited several popular attractions like Osaka Castle, the Glion Museum, the Umida Sky Building Floating Garden Observatory, the Tenon Hot Spring, and so on. As you can see on my budget on the plan, the total cost of visiting all these attractions and paying for transportation fees would have been a whopping 9,270 yen, but with the Osaka Amazing Pass, we only paid 2,800 yen. That's an incredible saving of over 6,000 yen. This powerful and informative travel plan will be shared for free in the last video of this Japan trip. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're planning a trip to Osaka, be sure to check out the Osaka Amazing Pass. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.